with Art of Jameela here. Today I'm going to be painting a beautiful pair of parrots. I have this piece laid out and I'm ready to get right into it. But before I do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And please like and leave a comment below if you feel inclined to do so. Alright, I'm ready to get into it. Here I go. Parrots are very lovable and have bold personalities. They come in a remarkable variety of different sizes, shapes, and colors, and can live very long lives. Parrots have been known to live up to 80 years. Currently, there are approximately 350 species of parrots alive on planet Earth. These colorful birds are beautiful, social, and quite clever. Most parrots have the ability to imitate sound, which allows them to communicate and to fit into their surroundings. Interestingly, they do not have vocal cords as humans do. Their ability to mimic sounds accurately, including human words, is done through the use of muscles in their throat that allows them to direct airflow to create certain sounds. If you have a pet parrot, they usually will pick up on certain words that you say and repeat them. Believe it or not, there was an interesting case featured on an episode of Inside Edition regarding a pet parrot that was a key witness in a murder trial. In that case, a woman was convicted of killing her husband. Their pet parrot named Bud actually reenacted the argument that the couple had by repeating words like, "No, shut up, get your ass over here, and don't shoot." The woman was found guilty and convicted of murder with the assistance of that amazing pet parrot. Not only can these clever birds mimic human speech, but they're also capable of adding, subtracting, and understanding the meaning of zero. That is phenomenal. Scientists believe that parrots have the same logic as a 4-year-old child. I find that fascinating. In conclusion, I must say that it is amazing that parrots are such smart creatures. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in any custom artwork, head over to my website, artofjameela.com, where you can find a variety of my artwork for sale by visiting the shop links. And you can also check out my online gallery. Thanks so much, guys. Have a beautiful day, and see you next time.